guidelines for build time. How does it look? How does it sound? How do you keep your minutes? Right, because you can't earn another one. Can't earn another one because you're at the maximum. But what do you need to do to not lose them? What do you need to do? Cole?
Keep the rods off the floor.
Keep the rods off the floor. So keep them on the desk. Okay? What's another guideline for build time and working with them? Michael?
It's a certain, like, not being too loud.
Not being too loud. So your voices should sound quiet. Okay?
Actually, that doesn't matter for you much since we're at 5 minutes.
So if it gets really loud, I will take a minute away because we're really not paying attention to what the whole guidelines are. So the guidelines are that it should stay pretty quiet.
Oh, so if you show
Great.
1 minute, should have your,
just doesn't
Hold on, I don't think people are listening for that. Hold on. Okay, Maggie.
you should have all your rods away before the minutes.
You need to have all of your rods away before the minute's done, except for what?
There's-
A staircase. You can leave a staircase. All right. I'm going to hit start. I'm going to put on that microphone that I need. And I need, that's exactly why I need a microphone, because we heard you say made and not made. Ready? 5 minutes begins now.
Can I use that for staircase as well? Okay, you don't have to actually.